So next I'm going to show you how to use Sanibar. Sanibar is a process that cleans the inside of the machine that is outside of the bowl. This typically runs every hour automatically or manually based on what kind of spills you have inside your machine. It typically sprays the outside of the valves, the outside of the bowl, some of your change parts. It cleans the extended base and base wash and rinses out your conveyor. First, you'll want to click on your Sanibar button. Second, you have an auto cycle that your Sanibar will run in, and that is typically set customer dependent. If you want to run it manually, you have your options up here that allow you to run the full Sanibar cycle, Sanibar individually, conveyor wash, CIP extended base wash, or base wash. We will run Sanibar manually. Select Sanibar, then I click Initiate Sanibar. They will automatically close the bottle stop and count down your bottles until the filler has no remaining bottles in it before it starts the Sanibar cycle.